This is Nadi Laimoud at Elliott Forex with your weekly overview for the British Pound US Dollar pair for the trading session dated Tuesday 18th August 2015. Over past week, cable unfolded toward the upside, confirming the alternate count and in the process invalidating the main count. Target was reached and exceeded, and we are updating the main count according to the latest price action, with short-term targets, invalidation and confirmation point. The alternate count expects that a significant top is in place for cable, and that cable is at the very early stages of a third wave toward the downside. As always, we will wait for either count confirmation point to be reached to determine the highly probable count. The main 6-hour chart suggests that wave 2 pink is incomplete and that wave 2 pink is unfolding toward the upside as a zigzag labeled A, B, and C green, with A green unfolding toward the upside as an impulse labeled waves 1 to 5 orange, while with B green unfolded as a double combination labeled waves W, X, and Y orange. Wave W orange unfolded as a 3-wave structure labeled A, B, and C purple, and as well with X orange unfolded toward the upside as a 3-wave structure labeled A, B, and C purple, and finally with Y orange unfolded as a 3-wave structure toward the downside labeled A, B, and C purple. After the completion of B green, it's expected that wave C green is unfolding toward the upside as an impulse with waves 1 and 2 orange complete and with 3 orange is under. Wave 2 orange unfolded as an expanded flat correction labeled A, B, and C purple, and this count would be confirmed by movement above 1.5718, and we have 3 targets for the completion of wave 3 orange and wave C green. The first target is at 1.5747, as at that level wave 3 orange will reach 0.786, the length of wave 1 orange, and the second target is at 1.5768, as at that level wave C green will reach equality with wave A green. The final target is at 1.5797, as at that level wave 3 orange will reach equality with wave 1 orange. This count would be invalidated by movement above 1.5932, as wave 2 pink may not retrace more than 100% the length of wave 1 pink. As well, this count would be invalidated by movement below 1.5562, as within wave 3 orange, no second wave may retrace more than 100% the length of its first wave. If that invalidation point was met, we will switch focus automatically to the alternate 6-hour chart, and the alternate count expects that wave 2 pink is complete as a double zigzag labeled waves W, X, and Y green. Wave W green unfolded as a zigzag labeled A, B, and C orange, with wave A orange unfolding as an impulse labeled waves 1 through 5 purple, while wave B orange unfolded as a 3-wave structure labeled A, B, and C purple. Wave X green unfolded toward the downside as a zigzag labeled A, B, and C orange, with wave A orange unfolding as a leading diagonal labeled waves 1 through 5 purple. After the completion of wave X green, wave Y green unfolded as a zigzag toward the upside labeled A, B, and C orange, with wave B orange unfolding as an expanded flat correction labeled A, B, and C purple. This count would be invalidated by movement above 1.5718, as within wave 3 pink, no second wave may retrace more than 100% the length of its first wave. And this count's initial confirmation point is at 1.5562, and the final confirmation point which will boost our confidence in this count is by movement below 1.5424. We have an initial target for the completion of wave 3 pink at 1.5119, as at that level of 3 pink will reach equality with wave 1 pink. We will be able to refine that target once wave 3 pink starts to subdivide toward the downside. So to wrap this up, this week's main count expects cable to unfold toward the upside to complete wave 2 pink, while the alternate count expects that wave 2 pink is complete and that wave 3 pink is at its very early stage. That's all for me today. Happy trading and have a nice week.